Welcome to Autos Time. Today we dive into one of the most thrilling and emotional machines ever crafted by Ferrari, the 2026 Ferrari 812. When Ferrari puts its name on a car, expectations immediately shoot through the roof, and the 812 has always been a legend in its own right. With this latest 2026 version, Ferrari has taken the already extreme Grand Tourer and elevated it to an entirely new dimension, blending raw V12 power, cutting-edge aerodynamics, and unmistakable Italian craftsmanship into a package that screams speed, exclusivity, and pure passion. The Ferrari 812 is not just another sports car. It's the very essence of Ferrari's heritage. For decades, Ferrari has been known for its naturally aspirated V12 engines, a type of powertrain that many brands have abandoned in favor of smaller turbocharged units or electrification. Yet Ferrari remains faithful to its roots, giving enthusiasts around the globe one last taste of a roaring, high-revving V12 in its purest form. The 2026 Ferrari 812 carries the torch for this legacy while also preparing itself for the future, with technological innovations that ensure it stays relevant in a world rapidly transitioning to hybrids and electrics. Under the sculpted hood of the 2026 Ferrari 812 lies a masterpiece, a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine delivering close to 830 horsepower. That's right. Ferrari has managed to squeeze even more performance out of this power plant, making it one of the most powerful naturally aspirated engines in the world. The sound alone is enough to stir your soul. Revving past 9,000 RPM, it unleashes a symphony of mechanical music that no turbocharger or electric motor could ever replicate. Ferrari knows that this sound is part of the brand's DNA, and the 812 makes sure to deliver it in the most spine-tingling way possible. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a lightning-quick dual-clutch transmission, giving you instantaneous shifts and seamless acceleration. 0 to 60 miles per hour takes just around 2.8 seconds, while top speed exceeds 211 miles per hour. These are numbers that don't just impress on paper, they are felt in every fiber of your being when you're behind the wheel. The 812 doesn't just accelerate, it catapults you forward, reminding you that Ferrari builds machines meant to live on the razor's edge of performance. Of course, speed is only part of the story. Ferrari's engineers have worked tirelessly on the handling dynamics of the 2026 812. The car features rear-wheel steering, advanced traction management, and active aerodynamics that adapt in real time to keep the car stable while slicing through corners. The 812 feels planted yet agile, offering confidence whether you're carving through winding mountain roads or unleashing its power on the racetrack. Every input from the driver is met with razor-sharp precision, giving you a direct connection to the car's soul. The exterior design of the Ferrari 812 2026 is nothing short of breathtaking. It's aggressive, sculpted, and purposeful, every curve and crease designed not only for aesthetics, but also for performance. Ferrari's design team has blended form and functions seamlessly, creating a silhouette that looks like it's moving even while standing still. The long hood, muscular haunches, and low-slung stance communicate its power, while aerodynamic enhancements such as an active rear diffuser and redesigned front intakes ensure it slices through the air with maximum efficiency. Step inside, and the cabin of the 812 greets you with an atmosphere that's equal parts race car and luxury Grand Tourer. Ferrari has always understood that their cars must deliver more than just performance. They must create an emotional experience. The interior combines carbon fiber, premium leather, and Alcantara, giving it a sporty yet refined feel. The driver-focused. Cockpit places every control within easy reach, and the digital displays provide real-time performance data without overwhelming you. Every detail, from the stitching on the seats to the shape of the steering wheel, is meticulously crafted to deliver both comfort and engagement. One of the key highlights of the 2026 Ferrari 812 is its integration of modern technology. Ferrari, knows its drivers want performance but also expect cutting-edge features. The car includes advanced connectivity, an upgraded infotainment system, and driver assist features designed to enhance safety without compromising the raw driving experience. Things like adaptive cruise control, lane monitoring, and collision alerts are subtly included, but Ferrari ensures they never dilute the purity of the drive. It's also worth noting how the 812 positions itself in Ferrari's lineup. While the company is moving forward with hybrid supercars like the SF90 Straydale and even exploring fully electric concepts, the 812 remains a celebration of Ferrari's heritage. This is a car built for purists, for those who believe driving should be a visceral and emotional connection, not just numbers on a spec sheet. The 2026 model is likely one of the final chapters in Ferrari's naturally aspirated V12 story, making it a collector's dream. Owning one of these isn't just about driving, it's about owning a piece of history. Ferrari has always understood that exclusivity is part of their allure, and the 812 is no exception. Production will be limited, ensuring that only a select few will ever experience this machine firsthand. This exclusivity adds to the mystique, as every 812 becomes more than just a car. It becomes a work of art, an object of desire that embodies Ferrari's relentless pursuit of perfection. Beyond the stats and performance, what truly sets the Ferrari 812 apart is how it makes you feel. From the moment you press the red start button and the V12 roars to life, you're reminded that this isn't just transportation, it's an event, an experience, an adventure. Driving the 812 isn't about getting from point A to point B. It's about everything in between. It's about the rush of acceleration, the way the engine note changes with every gear, the feel of the steering in your hands, and the way the car becomes an extension of your body. Ferrari has managed to capture emotion and translate it into metal, leather, and power. For those lucky enough to own one, the 812 offers not only the joy of driving, but also the pride of being part of Ferrari's legacy. And for enthusiasts who admire it from afar, the car serves as a reminder of what makes Ferrari truly special. In a world moving rapidly toward electrification and automation, Ferrari dares to remind us that passion, sound, and soul still matter. The 2026 Ferrari 812 is more than just a car. It's a celebration of Ferrari's past, a showcase of its present, and a final roar of a legendary era before the automotive landscape shifts forever. It's not just about horsepower or lap times, it's about creating an unforgettable connection between driver and machine. That's what Ferrari has always done, and with the 812, they've done it better than ever. So whether you see it roaring down a highway, gliding through city streets, or hear it screaming on a track, the Ferrari 812 2026 is a machine that commands respect and admiration. It is Ferrari at its purest, its loudest, and its most emotional. And it's a reminder that even in the future, some things, like the magic of a naturally aspirated V12, should never be forgotten. Thank you for joining us here on Auto's Time, where we explore the world's most incredible machines. The Ferrari 812 2026 is more than just a car. It's a